No, quarter. I probably, not quarter. What's 3 things? Not quarter, triple. I don't know. 1/3. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today we are going back to the beginning of my curly girl journey. I'm talking about when I first started wearing my hair curly 2 years ago. We are going to be using the Curls Sea Moss collection. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. So first, I'm going to give you a backdrop on how I actually started my curly girl. 2 years ago, I did not wear my hair curly at all. I only wore it straight. I have been natural for 8 years actually. And but I wasn't interested in wearing my curls. I just didn't want to relax her anymore, but I just started doing silk press. I am a hairstylist, so I got very good at doing silk press. So I started just silk pressing my hair and I got rid of the relaxer. But one day one weekend I should say, I went with my girls to a hair convention in New Orleans. And, you know, I was just looking at all the new products and all new stuff. And I happened upon the curls section. And they were pushing out their Blueberry Bliss line. And I said, you know what? Just right there, just popped in my head. I want to start wearing my hair curly. But guess what? My hair wasn't curly. All my ends were straight. I had the only where I had curls was at the roots, and that's because I had flat iron my hair to death. And you know what happens when you flat iron your hair to death. Your curls, you lose your curl pattern. So I said, I'm gonna start my journey. I am not gonna do no big chop because I didn't want to do a big chop. I never had short hair. I've never wanted short hair. So I said, I think I can by me being a hairstylist, I knew that I could gradually over time with patience get my curl pattern back, and that's exactly what I did. So I started with the curls. That was my first actual natural hair video. I started with the curls by Blueberry Bliss by Curls, a whole line. You want to look at the video, you can check it out right here or right here, and we're gonna get started. So in today's wash and go, we are going to be using the Sea Moss collection by Curls. We're going to start with the Sea Moss cleanser. Then we're going to do a deep conditioner with the mineral conditioner. Then we're going to use the Sea Moss curl cream as a leave-in. And lastly, we are going to use the curl slime to define our curls. It also came with a foam. We're not going to use that today because I think we'll use that in a twist out. But this is the complete Sea Moss collection. So guys, let's get started. First, we'll start with the Powerhouse Sea Moss cleanser. And we will get started shampooing our hair with that. First thing I noticed was, it's pretty basic. It's just a shampoo. It does lather really well, doesn't give much slip, but overall I felt my hair getting cleansed. Like I said, I could take it or leave it. It's no better or worse than any shampoo that I've ever used. Rinsed out really well. Next, we're going to go in with the 92 Vitamins and Mineral Conditioner. This is a strengthening moisture mask. It contains 92 out of the 110 minerals our skin, hair, and body needs. Basically, they're saying that sea moss is a natural protein that naturally strengthens damaged and breakage-prone hair. So basically, what this is claiming that it will do is will help with hair loss and breakage. So I mean, that's a good thing. Can't go wrong with that if it's true. But this conditioner is very nice. It gave great slip, as you see. Definitely a detangler. I use it as a regular conditioner in the shower. And I actually rinsed it out and then used it as a deep conditioner as well. So I left it on for 20 minutes. And I liked it overall. I really did. Got my hair soft and beautiful. Alright guys, so I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. Mind you, I told you I did the conditioner. It doesn't say deep conditioner. I just used that to detangle my hair, which it worked great. And then I put some more back in my head and deep conditioned my hair for 10 minutes, and I just rinsed that out. And when I tell you my hair feels so soft, I really like that deep conditioner. It left my curls very defined. I just can't explain the feeling of my hair. You all would have to use it to see. So the next step I'm going to do is use the Sea Moss curl cream as a leave-in. Now, I have watched other reviews, and they read the bottle of the curl slime, and it says do not use it in conjunction with any other leave-ins or products, period. But I'm gonna assume they mean any other products other than curls, because why would you have a whole line of sea moss and I can't use this with the curl slime? I would think everything will be able to use in conjunction. So I am going to go ahead and put this leave-in in my hair, and then go straight in with the, I'm gonna leave this in. The other bottle was hard to open like that too. Let's take it out. It's just a basic curl cream, but like I said, I'm using it as a leave-in. And like I said, I'm going to go right in after this, and we're going to go ahead and use the curl slime for our wash and go. So I'll be right back. Like I said, curls, comment below if you meant that we can't use this with the curl slime, or you just meant any other, because a lot of people are confused by it. Alright guys, so I am back. I have just sectioned my hair into 4 after using the Sea Moss Collection Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream. That's a lot to say. But so I used this, I saturated my hair with it, and then put a plastic cap on, left it on for 10 minutes, and it really detangled my hair. Like, my hair feels really soft and good. And like I said, I did tell y'all on the Sea Moss Collection Sea Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime, which I'm actually about to use, that it says don't use in conjunction with any other leave-ins or whatever products, but I'm assuming they do not mean the actual Sea Moss collection, because like I said, that wouldn't make any sense. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. Section off my curls, and I don't know what I did with my other clip. Dang it. Oh, it's still in my head. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna open up this slime and see if it's like slime. No, it's more like a jelly. It's not too slimy. It will fall out if you turn it over though. It's more like a jelly pudding type thing. It's got a slap to it, so I'm gonna use about this much. I'm heavy-handed, y'all. I do use a lot of product. That might have been too much, but hey, I like a lot of product. Rake it through. I'll go ahead and comb it. And let's see. My hair is pretty wet as well already, because I did re-rinse it. Oh, I got a nice little knot right here. Okay, so let's see. I can't really give you the consistency of it, because it's, I don't know. It's like, it's exactly what, like I said, it's between a gel and a pudding, I think. So, I don't know, this damn knot in my hair, and I ain't got no other comb in here. Hold on, y'all, I gotta get this knot out of my head. Did I get it? I think so. Alright, now, let's go ahead and separate the curl. It's definitely got a good weight to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and shingle my whole head. So let's see. Yeah, it's got weight to it because it is weighing these curls down, which I like. I like because my hair shrivels up so much in the back. So by the time it actually dries, I'm gonna put a little bit on my roots as well. I don't know what the consistency is of this when it dries, because I haven't really watched anybody else's review, so I don't know if it's gonna give me crunch. I don't know what it's gonna do. But right now, I don't know. I've never seen my curls look like this after putting gel or anything on it. So, this is gonna be interesting. Alright guys, so I am almost through applying. I'm basically done. I have one more layer up top. So I don't know if you remember, I said that this is like a mixture between a gel and a pudding. The slime is. It does this weird thing when you're trying to put it on your head, which is irritating. And I got little chunks of slime everywhere. You can see this. This is all over the room. Like I'm going to have to seriously clean this up. Like I want y'all to look at my mirror. See, it's slime on the mirror. It's gross. But, and also the smell is not that appealing. But if it gets my hair really pretty, who cares about the smell? I can deal with that. But I just want to show you guys this. It's kind of irritating, to be honest with you. So I'm on this last little section. I'm going to spray it with water. And it's almost like you got to hurry up and get the foam on your hair because it's like separating as soon as it comes out the jar. So that's why the little chunks, as soon as you put it on your hair, like just separates and kind of goes everywhere. I don't know if you can, of course it's not going to do it now. Of course it's not going to do it now while I'm videotaping, but it was doing it all while I was applying my hair. It's almost like, I don't know, it's creepy. There you go, some just fell. Some just fell to the ground. And it's like separating. You see that? You see how it's separating all over? Yeah, there you go. You can see it. I don't know about that. I don't like that. Left this room a hot mess. Now I got to do a whole cleanup. So, but as far as my hair feels, it feels good. My curls are popping while it's wet. So we're going to go ahead and let this dry. I probably half air dry, half go in the dryer. No, quarter. I probably, not quarter. What's three things? Not quarter, triple. I don't know. 1/3. 1/3 going to the dryer, 1/3 diffuse, and 1/3 air dry. Because I got a lot to do today. But I'm going to come back when I am fully dry. And I'm going to let you see how this is. I will show you the back. What the back looks like. I don't even know what the back looks like, but that's the back. With the curl slime fully saturated. Like I said, I'm heavy-handed, so I do use a lot of product. So we're gonna see. I'll be back when it's dry, guys. Guys, I am back. My hair is fully dry. As you see, my curls they definitely stretch the curl out. It's not as shrunken as my hair usually is. My hair is very soft and I haven't stretched it yet. I am definitely gonna stretch it because my back shrinks miserably where my sides stay a little bit longer. So I won't stretch the sides as much as I stretch the back, but I'm definitely gonna stretch it. As far as I'm concerned now, I see no frizz, but oh, my hair is so super soft. So I don't know when I stretch it, am I gonna get frizz? Let's see. First things first, when it was drying, it felt like it had like this sticky cast, but now as it is 100% dry, I do not feel that cast, and I actually like it. Once I washed all that stuff off my hands, it took like 2 to 3 washes for me to get all that gook off my hands, but now, okay. All right, so I'll be right back when I stretch my hair to give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, so I am back. I am stretched. My hair was stretching way more than this, but I promise you, my hair is so moisturized and soft and just like moisturized, I guess. It's just, every time I stretch it, it shrinks it back up. So, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it feels great. It just feels great, but it's not going to stretch much because it doesn't have any crunch. It's just soft. There's no cast. And go ahead and feel free to use your leave-in sea moss with the slime if you want to. Just use it in conjunction with each other because I have no flakes. I have no excessive buildup. My hair is super soft. As you can see, the curls are gorgeous. They're a little weighted down, which is okay. Because I like it like that. Because it won't, like I said, it won't stretch. I tried to stretch it and it just keeps shriveling right back up. But that's because my hair is so soft and moisturized. So all in all, I love it. But the star of the show to me is the leave-in. Well, they call it the Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Cream Curl. But I use it as a leave-in. And I love this stuff. It detangled my hair. It made my hair super soft. It made my hair feel healthy. So this is the winner. The slime. The shampoo was okay. It cleansed my hair, but I could take it or leave it. The slime, just, it was, I mean, I guess my hair is nice. It's just too messy. It's messy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. And did I say give me a big like? Well, I'll say it again. Give me a big like and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when I do post another video. Thank you guys for watching as always. Love you guys. Bye.